I'm Alex Makovica with a Monday check of today's market activity. Joining us to break down factors is Sam Hudson with Cornbelt Marketing. Sam, we look at the charts today, a little bit weaker in corn and wheat here, tick higher in soybeans, but soybean oil is leading the way higher today. And it sounds like, from what I'm hearing, this is coming off of Friday's news. Tell us more.
Well, that's right. We had some positive biofuel news to end the week last week. We closed a bean oil limit up, and that's obviously got the entire soy complex kind of on notice here. Beans are able to follow suit there, but I think we're getting to a point here where that knee-jerk reaction is going to be baked in. We still have a public comment period here in July to kind of sort through all of this and see if there's going to be any last-minute changes. But the messaging here from the administration is a positive one, at least for the long term. It helps a buoy, sentiment in terms of demand here moving forward, and that's important as we get quarterly data here at the end of the month and start looking at summer weather forecasts and how those could influence the supply side. That being said, there's not a whole lot more to throw in here until you actually get to those numbers. So I think we're going to probably work on consolidation here. We still have July contracts going into delivery here at the end of the month with first notice day upcoming. And so those market mechanics are still going to play a role amidst all of it.
As we kick off the week, corn down as much as 10 cents here
Yeah.
at last check. What's pressuring that complex here today?
It's just kind of a broken record. We come back into the week with the expectation of another set of solid crop ratings, and again on the front end there, you've got the delivery process here for those July contracts, and so you have a forced sell program going on there with the producer side. Any basis contracts that need to be sold or rolled, or any old crop ownership that's still out there, is going to need to be moving to the sidelines. So I think that's going to be a theme here moving forward. But hopefully, I think we're going to see somewhat of a neutral market here for the next couple of weeks.
Okay. Sam, a bit of a choppy week ahead. Markets will be
Yeah.
closed on Thursday. What's important to keep in mind this week?
Well, keep an eye on our export data. Again, we always want to, kind of examine what we know, what we don't know, and what we think is going to happen. And so this most recent update from USDA continues to bolster our demand numbers. I think moving forward, we're going to continue to see that, especially with the move you're seeing in the energy markets as we look at the ethanol side of things. And so again, that just paves the way to see what is and is not possible as we start to adjust yield sentiment and forecasts after the 4th of July.
Okay. Sam Hudson is joining us with Cornbelt Marketing. He will be on this afternoon on the channel Final Bell on our rural radio network station, so be sure to tune in. And as we head into the noon hour live and feeder cattle, up over $1, $2 in some cases. From the Nebraska Soybean Board Studios, I'm Alex Makovica.